Alright guys, I'm going to show you my problem with the Foxconn Bloodrage GTI and a 400 series GPU. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works right now. Then I'll make another video of what's actually wrong, since I don't want to fart with this right now. So this is a MSI GTX465 Golden Edition, and in slot 1 I have a GTX280, and I have, for RAM, I have 3 gigabytes single 1 gigabyte sticks, so 3 of those of Crucial tracers, a i7-920 DO version, and I have RAID 0 to 1 terabytes Samsung F3s, and just the LG DVD burner. And I'm going to show you how I found a workaround. Apparently some people found a workaround by taking all their RAM out and using one stick. Some people have been able to use 2 sticks of RAM. I didn't even think about that. This is just my last idea I thought of last night. So I'm going to boot it up, and it will go into Windows, and you probably already know why it's going to work. Currently I had BIOS version P07. I thought updating it to P10 would fix it. That does not fix the problem with the GTX 400s. I've seen on other forums that the 470 and the 480, well, you can add the 465 to the list too. And this is a GTI version, just make sure y'all know that, because I got into the i7s a little late, and there was no regular Bloodrages being sold at that moment. So as you can see, I got through post, through the RAID, and here comes Windows. Should come Windows. Oh, I'm sorry, you're about to see why it works. This is my main screen. This is hooked up to the GTX 280. Well, as you can see, I don't have it SLI, since you can't SLI these. That's in the PCI 16X slot 1. This is in the 16X slot 2. As you can see, the red. And look, there's Windows. This is hooked up to the 465. Okay, let me... got that going. And there is Windows 7 64-bit Pro Edition. Now, okay, I'm trying to make this video as fast as I can, so I don't have to... sorry, it's got to be on the ground. I don't have room up top. So, as you can see, I am going to show you that it is recognizing, it did recognize the 465, and Windows 7 automatically found a driver for it and installed it. And there you go, card one, slot 1, slot 2, 465. No exclamation marks. And we can go see MSI Afterburner. This is 1.6, version 1.6 1. And as you can see, it is recognizing it. And we're going to minimize that for a while. And we have GPU Z. I'm trying to figure out. I just now set up this RAID, so I'm trying to get everything settled up on this. Okay, there is the 280. Okay. This one, I believe, is the standard clock edition. I have another 280. That's the next one up or something. I don't know. Okay, now I got the 465. And there it is, GF100. Here's the BIOS. Okay, as you can see, it is working. I thought my card was messed up because it's actually damaged. This was dented and the card was very, very loose, even with the screws tight on the back. So what I did was I got some of these nylon washers, small washers that have the diameter to fit around that screw, and put those washers in, cram those screws in real tight with the springs still installed, and it tightened it up real tight, so the GPU is nice and tight. So there you go, you got that. Now I'm going to show y'all. I have the physics and the main graphics computing all to the 465. So load up the NVIDIA control panel. Okay, we got the 465. The physics is going. That's my little screen right there, the 19-inch L19.6. I can't show you, but it's a flat screen. And that's the 22-inch LG. Okay, so physics is going to that, and as you can see, it's 460 with HDMI, so that's 465 there. I have nothing going there, and this is hooked directly to the 465, so all the computing is going to that. Now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to fire up Batman, and I'll show you all the, there's GP1, that's the 280, GP2 is the 465, I'm going to show you, see, as you can see it's already doing some stuff. So I'll turn the benchmark on this, and it'll have the physics, say, physics GPU, which is set to the 465, and let me get this bad boy going. Okay, you gotta sit through this. And I'll turn the benchmark on, and then I will Alt-Tab out and show you the GPU usage. Okay, let me sign in here. Okay. I hate signing in to play a single player game. Okay. Benchmarks on. I meant to click on the icon where it shows so I could show the settings, but as you can see, physics is on, obviously. This is just a 1440 by 900 monitor, so I will be swapping it out for the big one. And I'll wait till we get to the smoke area, because that's where it bogs some, and I will Alt-Tab out of that right there. So here it comes, and we got the smoke. Wait a little bit. There it is, right there. And as you can see, GPU 2, all the uses. GPU 1, nothing. Temperature 50. GPU 2, just 465. The 280 staying at 41 degrees. It's kind of high because I can't fit a fan right on the heatsink, so I just got that one blowing on it. But as you can see, this is kind of a workaround right now. There probably is a BIOS right now. I'm just making this video to show my problem and my workaround.